How to create Instagram DM automation on GroHubz. First, we go to Google and search for GroHubz automation, then click on the first website that appears. After that, we land on the website's homepage. To create automation, we first need to register. For that, we click on the login button. If you are already a registered user, you can simply log in directly. But since we are creating a new account, we will click on the Create Account button. Here you have two options to register. 1. Enter your email and create a unique password manually. 2. Or choose the Continue with Google option. The Google option is much faster and easier, so we will choose that. After completing the registration process, the dashboard page opens. Next, we go to the Real Automation page. Right now, nothing is visible here because we have not connected our Instagram account yet. Similarly, if we open the DM automation page, nothing will appear there either. To create automation, we first need to go to the settings page. From there, we click on the Connect Instagram button. After clicking, we are redirected to the Instagram login page, where we need to enter our Instagram credentials and verify which page we want to connect. Then a pop-up appears asking whether we want to allow GroHubz to connect with our Instagram account. If we click Allow, the account will be connected. If we click Cancel, it will not connect. We will click Allow because GroHubz operates fully under Meta's policies. In fact, it took us 3 continuous months to get approval from Instagram. That's why GroHubz is a trusted tool. So once we allow access, our Instagram page gets successfully connected. Now, if we go back to the Reel automation page, our Reels start appearing there. In the top right corner, we can also see our username and profile logo. From here, we can set up Reel automation as well, but currently this feature is still under development. It will be activated in the next update. Now let's set up DM automation. For that, we go to the DM automation page and click on the Create Automation button. In the top box, we set a keyword. You can add multiple keywords separated by commas, but for now, we will use only one keyword. You can also click on the Preview button to see how it will look live. We will set the keyword as Hello. In the message box below, we enter the auto reply message. Along with text messages, you will also be able to attach photos, PDFs, and voice notes. This feature is currently under development, but within 8 days of this video being uploaded, it will be fully functional and available for use. For now, we can create and save the DM automation. Once saved, our automation is active. Now let's see how it works. We open another page and consider it as a viewer. When a viewer visits your profile and sends a DM using the same keyword that you saved, they will receive an instant auto reply within 3 seconds, exactly the message you stored. As you can see here, it works perfectly. You can create multiple DM automations, each with different keywords and different messages. All of them will work independently and send replies automatically, completely free. Let us know in the comment box how you like this tool and what additional features you would like us to add. See you in the next update. Thanks for watching.